In this video, we'll be showing you an amazing way you can use potato, cucumber, and lemon juice to get rid of dark spots. It's super easy to make this recipe, and it'll not only cool irritated skin and get rid of dark circles, but it'll also remove spots, discoloration, and skin stains. The main ingredients are the best natural products you can use to cure dark spots. Potatoes remove toxins directly from the skin and are also packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which all aid in removing dark spots and getting rid of dark circles. Cucumbers are mainly water and add much-needed hydration to dry, parched skin. One of the leading causes of dark circles and dark spots is lack of moisture. Therefore, cucumbers pack skin full of moisture as well as other beneficial vitamins and minerals. Finally, lemon juice is a natural lightener because of the amount of acidity it contains. So to start with, you're going to need 1 small to medium potato, 1 small cucumber, lemon juice from 1 lemon, an ice cube tray. To make this remedy, peel the potato and grate it. Add your grated potato to a blender or food processor and add in your cucumber and the juice from a lemon. Depending on the size of your potato, you may need less cucumber or more. The consistency should be slushy-like. Pour your mixture into an ice cube tray and freeze for 5 to 6 hours until it's hardened. To use this recipe, simply pop out a potato-cucumber ice cube and rub it over the affected area, wherever you may have dark spots. These ice cubes are also amazing for dark circles. Basically, you can rub the ice cubes all over the face and neck, as the cooling feeling will calm irritated skin, while the ingredients will heal and cure dark spots. Rub the ice cube for 1 to 2 minutes on the area you want, then dispose. Afterwards, rinse your skin with warm water and pat dry. You can use these cubes once or twice every day, and within 3 to 4 days, you should notice your dark spots getting lighter and lighter. Keep using until dark spots are no longer present. As you treat your skin over many days, you'll start to see blemish-free skin that you desire. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on how to get rid of acne scars and dark spots with baking soda and lemon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.